Whitfield Avenue man escapes death. Fiery domestic dispute lands woman in hot water with law. Body of unidentified man found in St. Anne. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A male resident of Whitfield Avenue in St. Andrew, who was allegedly awaiting a taxi to get to work, escaped death on Tuesday afternoon when gunmen traveling in a motor vehicle opened fire at him, firing close to 20 rounds. It was not clear how many of the shots caught the man who was injured during the incident at the intersection of Whitfield and Maxfield Avenues. The incident occurred in the midst of operations being carried out by the police and military personnel close to in the sections of Maxfield Avenue, including Rousseau Road and Sunlight Street. More details to come pending further investigations. A Trelawney woman is now facing arson and malicious destruction of property charges following an alleged domestic dispute with a man in Mahogany Hall in the parish last week Monday. She is Paulette Johnson, age 51, of Top Town in Clarkstown. Reports from the police are that at about 7 p.m., Johnson and a man were having a domestic dispute at his home when it escalated. The police were reportedly summoned and she was warned. The police stated that Johnson later returned to the house and reportedly proceeded to set fire to pieces of clothes and then to the house. The house was destroyed, according to the police. Johnson was arrested and charged on Sunday. The police stated that her court date is being finalized. The St. Anne police are probing the circumstances surrounding the death of an unidentified male whose body was discovered along dirt tracks in Windsorland Settlement District, St. Anne on Monday. More details to come following further investigations.